Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a very simple way to do like a rose design. And again, my videos are meant for beginners, give you easy ways to start getting into painting. In the background I do provide very light sound bath, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. This is my palette for today. I'm going to have red and white, and then the pink, the two different shades of green. And I will list all my brushes down below, but I'm doing a couple flat brushes, a round brush, and my liner brush. I'm going to begin by dipping my brush, and this is the bigger, the 3/4 inch one stroke brush. And I'm going to just come through here and try to make a couple circles. I know my circles are kind of not real circle-ish, if that's a word even. And just do the best to get it to cover. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you follow my channel, you know I don't strive for perfection. I just want it to be where you're enjoying what you're doing and you're not afraid to give it a try. I like to work in odd numbers, so that's what you're seeing here. And I do notice some glare. Sorry about that. And if you do this pattern on glass, anytime you're working on glass, the thicker you put the paint on, and not too thick, mind you, the thicker you place the paint on, the more durable it's going to be. I'll do that. It's not quite as full of glare. Then I'm going to take my round brush, going into the white. I'm just tipping it in there, just filling the brush with some paint. And then I'm going to start in the center and just do some easy strokes. Whoops, I accidentally tipped it into the red. That's not good. And then just do some like comma strokes, I guess is what I would call these. And just keep them working out towards the edge. And you can leave a little bit of space in between if you want to see some of the red underneath, but you don't have to. Okay, so just like that. Then come back over here in the center and keep doing it. And you can overlap. Main thing is just to take your time and have fun. This is meant to be very simple, as I mentioned. Perfect for beginners. No stress. When you're painting, you can put it on some calming music, whatever that is to you. And just sit back, relax, and let the paint flow. And your brush go wherever it needs to. And just take a step back and say, hey, do I need to add anything else? I think it's fine just the way it is, so I'm going to leave it that way. Then I'm going to go to my liner brush, and I'm going to stick it into my two different colors, and just bring out, just pull out from here, where I can put just some quick little leaves. And they don't have to be realistic as far as this is what you would really find on a rose bush. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to pick up a flat brush and I'm going to dip one side into the darker green, one side into the lighter, and then just do some quick blending strokes. The proper way to load the brush though is to do blending strokes to where you have the paint 3/4 of the way up the bristles. I don't necessarily always do that. I just follow my gut and just do whatever feels right to me. And I'm basically just doing some simple one stroke leaves. And if you want to pay attention to which direction they're going, you can do that as far as like shading goes. I'm not really paying attention to that. I'm just putting them down on this is a piece of ceramic tile that I'm just using to create the videos with. And you can always study the roses and say, hey, I want more of a realistic petal from my leaves, and do that. I'm going to go back in and put my liner brush into the greens like I did before, and come back and put lines to connect them to the stems. And a lot of my patterns are just meant to be very, not only easy, but quick. And there you have it. Just a quick, a few minute video, honestly. And you've got a pretty design. It doesn't take any time to paint. Alright, I hope you like this video. Again, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button or bell so that you get notified whenever I post something new. And make sure you like this and share this video with everyone. If you would, I would appreciate that. Any comments, questions, put those down below the video. I will also provide a list of what I'm using in the video, within the video, as well as underneath this video. So once again, thanks so much for stopping by. You have a good day, stay safe and healthy, and until the next time, see you then.